Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's RV cooking episode, we're going to be making another comfort meal in the possible cooker. I'm using the crock pot setting on low. We're going to make like a beef stew. It's a spin on it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to lay down a couple tablespoons of oil of your choice. Okay. Then I'm going to throw some about a medium onion down. Okay. Then about 6 gold potatoes, and I chopped them all up or cubed them. I have 2 pounds of cube steak or stew meat. You don't need the absorbent paper in there. And let me get my spoon here, and we're going to mix this up best we can. Break up this meat. Okay. Then I'm going to put in some garlic powder, or you can put in fresh garlic if you have it. I have garlic with me today, so. And I'm going to eyeball it, guys. A couple teaspoons if you're using the powder. Salt and pepper. Okay. And I have a can of mushroom soup. And you can also add mushrooms in this too if you like. That would be good. I'm putting in 1 can of beef consomme. I'm using a Lipton's beefy onion. It's going to have a lot of flavor, guys. And I'm using 1 pack of au jus sauce. And it's a powder. Okay. Mix this all up. Just all in there. And I'm going to add in 1 can of water into this. And this is our drinking water. We don't drink out of the tanks. There we have it, guys. And we're going to put this on slow cook all day while we're going out exploring. Or you could put this on low for on high, I should say, for 4 to 5 hours. however you see fit. And you can add vegetables in this later on if you like. I'll bring you back when we have dinner completed. Okay guys, dinner is done. It smells delicious. This is amazing. This is how we're serving it tonight. Yummy for the tummy. Anyway, guys, this is what we're having for dinner. What are you having? And thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.